Hello everyone and welcome back to the series of Matlab and SIMULINK tutorial. Today we will reconstruct continuous time cos signal from sampled cos signal. For this task we have a sampled cos signal from the previous example and we will reconstruct the continuous time signal with the help of a low pass filter or Sinc function. And now we will move to Matlab. We will start a Matlab code with some clearing instruction and then we will initialize the variables from the last example. Now we will design a low pass filter whose cutoff frequency will be half of the sampling frequency. And then we will take inverse Fourier transform with the help of command ifft and we will have a Sinc function in time domain. Now to construct original continuous time signal, we will use multiplication in frequency domain, or we can also use convolution in time domain. Now here using multiplication, we will reconstruct our continuous time signal. Now we will run the simulation and again we will have two figures. Here the first plot in the figure 1 represent a low pass filter whose cutoff frequency is the half of sampling frequency, and second plot represent time domain response of the low pass filter or the Sinc function. Now the first plot in the second figure represent time response of the reconstructed signal, where the second plot represent magnitude response of the reconstructed signal. Thanks for watching the video. This was all about today and stay connected for more updates.